Past perfect, plus que parfait. You're about to enter the world of French grammar. Let's break it down so it doesn't feel like climbing the Eiffel Tower without an elevator. The plus que parfait is like the past of the past. You make it with avoir or être in the imperfect, plus the past participle of the verb. Easy, right? Think of it as a grammatical sandwich. Examples of conjugated verbs in plus que parfait. Prendre, to take, positive verbs. J'avais pris mes affaires avant de sortir. I had taken my stuff before heading out. Because forgetting them would be a disaster. Nous avions pris le train pour éviter les embouteillages. We had taken the train to dodge traffic jams. Smart move. Negative mode. Je n'avais pas pris mon parapluie et il a commencé à pleuvoir. I hadn't taken my umbrella and of course it started raining. Classic bad luck. Ils n'avaient pas pris leur petit déjeuner avant de partir. They hadn't had breakfast before leaving. Hungry alert. Aller, to go, with être because aller loves drama. Positive vibes. J'étais allé voir mes parents avant de partir en voyage. I had gone to see my parents before traveling. Gold star for being thoughtful. Vous étiez allé au musée avant la conférence. You had gone to the museum before the conference. Cultural priorities. Am I right? Negative mode. Nous n'étions pas allés à la plage à cause du mauvais temps. We hadn't gone to the beach because of bad weather. Beach day cancelled. Se promener, to take a walk. This one's pronominal, so it also tags along with être. Positive verbs. Je m'étais promené dans le parc avant qu'il ne fasse nuit. I had taken a walk in the park before it got dark. Night strolls are overrated. Negative mode. Nous ne nous étions pas promenés dans ce quartier avant ce jour-là. We hadn't walked in this neighborhood before that day. Exploring new places is fun. Special expressions. C'était. Ça avait été une belle journée. It had been a beautiful day until the rain ruined it. Il y avait eu plusieurs changements. There had been several changes before they left. Drama in the team? It's your time machine for talking about something that happened before another thing in the past. J'avais déjà vu Bahram la semaine dernière. I had already seen Bahram last week. Small word, huh? Ils avaient visité plusieurs maisons avant d'acheter celle-ci. They had visited several houses before buying this one. House hunting is no joke. Reminder, normal, auxiliary, avoir, être, and imperfect, plus past participle. Negative, wrap the auxiliary in a cozy ne pas blanket. Example, j'avais préparé le repas avant leur arrivée. I had prepared the meal before they arrived. 5-star chef level. Il n'avait pas encore pris de décision. He hadn't made a decision yet. Procrastinator alert. Voilà! Now you're armed and ready to use the plus-que-parfait. It's fancy, fun, and very French. Bonne chance!